For all of my life, I've been this quiet and shy person. I rarely took part in social occasions, nor did I speak a lot. Social interaction easily gave me anxiety. As this is a daunting situation, I challenged myself to solo travel to get to know myself better. Little did I know that this journey would lead me to the other side of the world, Bali. So, as I got to meet you here, let me introduce you to Bono. He has been my driver throughout all of my Bali trip. And he is an exceptionally kind, loving and open person. During my time, Bono mentioned he has never been to another country. Heck, he has never even been in Nusa Penida, a small island in Bali that features incredible landscapes and breathtaking cliffs with dreamlike beaches. As part of my trip, I promised myself to be more grateful and to start giving back to people. So I began thinking how I can make a trip to Nusa Penida a reality. And as you know, my time is limited here. I just had a look and actually booked the helicopter flight. So we're gonna do a helicopter flight right now.
Helicopter?
Yes, helicopter flight. Yes. So I want to give this to you for being so kind here. And
helicopter?
Yes.
Ooyy.
So that's what we're gonna do next. Ready? Any last words?
Yeah. Very excited. And scary.
Scary.
Scary for jump.
I think we'll be safe.
Yeah.
We say that now.
100%.
Made it. Perfect.
Thank you.
I like it.
Wow, it's a bit scared. Not better, it's very scared, but enjoy it.
Perfect.
Yeah, thank you very much.
That's what we're here for.
Thank you. Wow. Very exciting.
Wow, what a trip this has been. I am extremely proud that I took the step now and went from barely speaking to anyone to now turning strangers across the world into friends. And honestly, this feeling of spreading happiness and fulfilling dreams is purely astonishing, something you cannot replace. And if you can take one thing away from this video, then I encourage you to follow your ideas in your head and make it a reality, independent of how stupid it may sound, or no matter what limitations you're conditioned to believe, whether it is traveling to some destination solo, asking someone out, or taking someone on a ride, on a helicopter ride. The only limitations that we have are in our heads, and I can only say, go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Just do it.